Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's often overlooked but crucial for every homeowner. Roof inspections. Did you know a damaged roof can be a silent enemy to your home? It's not just about leaks. A compromised roof can lead to structural issues, mold growth, and even decrease your home's value. Regular roof inspections by professionals can spot potential problems early. They're trained to identify issues like missing shingles, weakened spots, and hidden damage that aren't always visible to the untrained eye. Here's a thought. Preventative maintenance is more cost-effective than major repairs. Regular inspections can save you thousands in the long run. A well-maintained roof also means peace of mind. It ensures your family's safety and protects your possessions from weather-related damage. So, don't wait for a rainy day to find out the state of your roof. Schedule an inspection today and keep your home safe and sound. For more home maintenance tips, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for updates.